Hi everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about ChatGPT and its implication in research. As you know, ChatGPT is becoming popular. Everyone is talking about it. This is one of the hot topic on social media. This is one of the top trend on the Twitter. So in fact, everyone is talking about ChatGPT. I have seen so many videos from the renowned scholars who were talking about its implication in research process. So of course, ChatGPT is very helpful. It can help you to summarize long articles, and in fact, it can work as your writing assistant. But you must be very much alert in its usage in the research process. Let me show you where you need to be alert. Let me give you an example. Let me ask from ChatGPT, give me a few lines of abductive reasoning about the relationship between green HRM and organizational identification. Okay, this provides us the answer. Green HRM refers to integration of environmental sustainability principles into human resource management practices. Organizational identification refers to the extent to which employees identify with and feel committed to an organization. This is just a definition of green HRM and organizational identification. Then it provides the abductive reasoning. Abductive reasoning suggests that the implication of green HRM practices can lead to increased organizational identification among employees. This is because green HRM practices align with employees' personal values and beliefs, which can increase their sense of connection and commitment to the organization. Additionally, green HRM practices can increase employee engagement and motivation, which can further enhance organizational identification. So this is of course the perfect, and you can just edit it for your own purpose, as long as you are just interested in the reasoning. This is perfect. Let's ask ChatGPT about some citation. So let's see how it will give us. And provide bibliography as well. Sorry for these background noises. So you can see here the abductive reasoning suggests that the implication of green HRM practices can lead to increased organization identification among employees. This is supported by the research. For example, a study by Khan et al. 2016 found that the green HR practices such as eco-friendly policies and practices led to increased organizational identification among employees. Additionally, a study by Gang et al. 2018 found that the employees who perceive their organization as engaging in green HRM practices have a strong sense of organizational identification. And these are two references which are provided by ChatGPT. So let's just have a let's just quickly check these references, whether they are accurate or there any problem in it. Let's open Google Scholar. See, this reference even not available anywhere on Google Scholar. So this is what I have found I have found on ChatGPT, whatever the references that are provided by ChatGPT are not reliable, and we must be very much alert about using these references in our literature review. So if you are thinking to use these references or the references that are provided by ChatGPT, so you must be very much alert and just double check if they are right. So in my opinion, if you want to have the literature view, better to just explore through the research articles that are presented on the renowned and authentic databases. So you should not rely on ChatGPT for literature review. So I hope this video will be helpful. For those people who want to use ChatGPT for their literature review, so I hope this will be helpful. Thanks for watching.